Turn on the Holland and Keating switches. Open the foldable pedal. Enter work password. Press the lift button and the drop button to lift or difference. Select movement speed. Low gear, press accelerator to move the stacker. High grade position, press accelerator, mobile stacker. During the retreat of the high car, press or touch the following emergency reverse button. Push the car to resume positive movement. Push the car horn. Press the austerity button to close the car. Press the emergency stop switch. Restore the original position of the guardrail and foldable pedal. Before charging the stacker, turn off the switch and emergency stop switch first. The charger is first inserted into the stacker and plug it back into the power socket. Stacker starts charging. Unplug the power socket plug after charging. Remove the charger after unplugging the stack end.